Okay legends, it's been a long time coming. This is Rosie, the 760X Align T-Rex in the F3C carbon fuselage. Massive machine. Rosie, of great sentimental value to me. Not just because I remember watching this on a YouTube video many years ago, thinking to myself, my God, I'd love to be able to fly one of those and like that. And many years later, here she is. Now look, I have flown her before, and there are some videos of me flying her before, and I'll link them up in the top right hand side now. But to be honest, I didn't think that my flying style was right for her, and I needed to go back to the drawing board, and I needed to really give myself a good sort of shake up in the way in which I was flying. Machines like this, you don't fly it as if it's a 580. There are ways of flying it. It's much more deliberate, it's much more smoother in order to work with the fuselage. And this thing is a rocket ship, an absolute rocket ship. So I've spent 18 months reviewing my flying style, and I've worked hard. And I'm here on my field all on my own, and this is quite nerve-wracking, but I'm gonna log this. This is part of my journey, and I can't tell you how important this is to me that it goes well. So, wish me luck.
Throttle active.
Come on, Rosie, you beautiful thing.
Idle off one.
Let's fly her around slowly before we give her a few beans. But this is what I had problems with, was deliberate, slower flying. And I found that flying faster was easier. And I wanted to fly slower, more deliberate, like you're seeing at the minute. And that's taken, as I said, you know, a lot of time and energy and effort, hours in the field, and training. A little bit low to the ground there, not remotely bothered. I was quite happy. It's very windy up here. I always use that as an excuse, but it is windy. Absolutely fantastic. Even though she's a big helicopter, you can see her fighting with the wind. Let's slow her down. Let's bring her back and then transition to a bit of speed. All right, let's go forward. Bit of.
Idle off 2.
And there she goes. She's away.
Warning. Voltage 44.0 volt.
Oh yes, Rosie, you're beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Warning. Voltage 43.9 volt. 3 minutes.
Fantastic. Really quite windy, but she's a big old machine, she can handle it, but there it goes, let's use the wind.
Warning. Voltage 44.8 volt. Warning. Voltage 43.4 volt. Warning. Voltage 44.8 volt. Warning. Voltage 44.8 volt. 4 minutes 20 seconds. Warning. Voltage 44.8 volt. Warning. Voltage.
You hear my voltage, my alarm's going off. That's okay.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Warning. Voltage 44.
Let's bring her back.
9 volt. 3, 2, 1. Warning.
Bring that head speed down a bit.
44.8 volt. Idle off one.
Just beautiful, beautiful. I'm so happy with that flight. I'm not fanning around, by the way. I just don't want to bring her in yet. I know I've got plenty of battery power.
Voltage 45.
Just admiring.
5 minutes.
All right, in she comes.
Voltage 44.9 volt. Warning. Voltage 44.5 volt. Warning. Voltage 44.8 volt. Warning. Voltage 44.6 volt. Warning. Voltage 44.8 volt.
All right, in she comes.
Warning. Voltage 45.0 volt. Warning. Voltage 44.8 volt. Throttle hold. Normal.
Oh, Rosie, thank you, thank you, thank you. I was so much more comfortable with that flight. The slowest sort of to medium speed flying. So for those of you out there, and I know there are some because you've messaged me about the 760X, is it obsolete? Is it actually worth putting it in the more modern Black Shark fuselage, this variant you're seeing here? Is it actually worth it? Or should we look at something like the Merak or one of the other F3C type fuselages? My advice to you is this: look, you can pick up a 760X fairly cheaply. I've done a video on how to convert a 700X to a 760X. It's perfectly feasible. That's exactly what I've done here. And you can pick yourself up a fuselage fairly cheaply. And if in doubt, top right hand corner or in the description, one or the other, there'll be a link to Midland Helicopters, who will be able to get a fuselage for you. But it has to be said that it is becoming harder and harder and harder to be able to get fuselages for the 760X. Its days are numbered essentially with regards to F3C, and it's certainly competitively wise, well, it's not really up there with the big boys. That's not to say that you wouldn't see it in a sort of private competition or someone in an F3N or whatever, who knows? She may well enter as a Helished helicopter in events around the UK over the next couple of years, hint hint. But the 760X, there she is. You either love her or hate her. I haven't come across anyone who hates her. It's as simple as that. We just don't see enough of them in the air. Right, legends, I think that's it. I so enjoyed that journey, and I'm going to continue the journey with the 760X, with Rosie, and certainly, you know, she is just a beautiful machine, isn't she? Yeah. You know what? I'm proud of myself. Yes, sir. Right. Thanks very much. Enjoy the journey. Take care. Bye-bye.